Hey guys, Andrew here with Great Lake Sprouts Media. Today we're going to show you how to put on plastic covering for a high tunnel. Built this little toilet paper roll mechanism. Tied it at the end here with a loop like that. Used a bungee just to secure it. Long enough rope here. Going across the top. Going to be pulling it as I'm feeding it with the ladder. Let's see how this baby turns out. Okay guys, here we go. Unrolling this thing, going over the top. Got one person underneath the roll feeding it. Other person's pulling it through the peak. We got the rope all at the other end. Those guys are pulling it too to help. Make sure you have nice tall ladders. The more the better. It was halfway through. Make sure there's nothing snagging or ripping. You don't want holes in this thing. It's a brand new roll. Go over each peak slowly. It went pretty smooth for us. Here we are, the whole roll's undone. We got a little more access on this side. We got to pull through, make sure it's all even. Make sure this is being done on a very calm day, because once this thing gets some wind, it'll fly like a kite. Here's some alpacas on the farm. These guys are awesome. Really fun characters. Very goofy characters. Each one's got their own personality. Alright guys, we got the plastic all the way to the other side. It's going smooth so far. Now we're going to unravel this thing just like a blanket. Evenly down each side. I'm going up on the ladder here, unfolding it. We got Kim gonna hop on the ladder back here, helping unfold. If you got people standing around, once this thing gets unfolded, just have them hold the plastic. There was one point where wind did come in and started flapping. Can't say it enough. There we go, we got it rolled off on the other side. If you're gonna buy a roll of plastic for your high tunnel, make sure you get a little bit bigger, because you always cut off the excess. You don't want to be too small. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Got it all the way down. Beautifully untarped. Cool. We'll start wiggle wiring from one side. Here's some more shots of the alpaca. Alpacas tend to run away from you, but this one guy here, he was bottled from a baby. He likes to be a pet. He's got a nice little afro. Hey little guy, how are you? We're making sure that we're good on both sides. Alright, let's start wiggle wiring it. Make sure you're switching off with somebody with the wiggle wire, because your hands do start to hurt. We got enough on this side, a little bit more on the other, but that's okay. See it flapping a little bit in the wind. Make sure people holding. Here we go. Going down with the wiggle wire. We're gonna have somebody pulling tight as they're putting the wiggle wire in. Make sure it's nice and even, no creases. The stuff that we're putting the wiggle wire into is called U-channel. You can buy this in any high tunnel or greenhouse supply store. Any excess, like I said, just cut it off later. Wiggle wire on this side. Work from one end to the other. And pull them tight as you go. So there you have it, guys. This thing turned out awesome. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button. And thanks for watching. We appreciate you.